GoDaddy makes SSL installation automatic for most hosting plans. 1. Buy or get free SSL, cPanel hosting, managed WordPress, login, my products, web hosting, manage, SSL, TLS, free, SSL, let's encrypt. Toggle on, installs in 5:30 min, VPS dedicated, buy SSL in store, add to cart, checkout. 2. Automatic install, most plans. After purchase or enabling free SSL, go to web hosting, manage, settings, SSL, TLS. Click install or manage, choose domain, install certificate. GoDaddy auto-generates CSR plus private key and installs in 5 to 60 minutes. Status changes to active. 3. Manual install, only if needed. Download certificate files, CRT, CA bundle from GoDaddy SSL dashboard. cPanel, SSL, TLS, manage SSL sites, paste CRT, private key, and CA bundle, install. Or force HTTPS, hosting dashboard, settings, force HTTPS, on, or add to HTTPS.